Hello students. Next, Unit 4 in C language. In Unit 4, you have two topics, structures and unions. The second topic is object oriented programming. Two topics in fourth unit. Structures and union is one topic. Second topic is object oriented. Okay. First we will discuss what is structures and what is union, how we declare structures and unions. Structure. If you understand structure, understanding of a union is very easy. It is closely related to structure topic. Structure. Structure is a way of defining user defined data type that encapsulate different data types. Structure is a way of defining data type that encapsulate different data types. What is structure? Structure is a way of defining the user defined. So we have two types of data types in C language. One is primary data types. Primary data types. Second one, user defined data type. Primary data types are int, float, char or etc. primary data types. Secondary data types are or user defined data types are structures, unions, enumeration. These are user defined data types, means they defined by the user. Here the user means programmer. So programmer can define their own data types. The data types are called user defined data types. The various user defined data types in C language are structures, unions, enumeration. Now we are seeing structures, right? So what is structure? Structure is a way of defining a user defined. Definition: a structure variable can hold a set of dissimilar values. A structure variable can hold a set of dissimilar values. A structure is a heterogeneous collection of related data fields. A structure is a heterogeneous collection of related data fields. Heterogeneous means dissimilar. A structure is a heterogeneous collection. Heterogeneous means dissimilar collection of related data fields. Means in one structure variable can hold different data types. Means int, float, char. See, this is structure variable. One structure variable can hold different types of data. This is about structure. Structure is a collection of heterogeneous data types. Heterogeneous means dissimilar. Structure is a heterogeneous collection of data types. In one structure variable, we can store different types of data. And these different types of data is called structure elements or fields. Structured fields. These different data types are called structure elements or structure fields. Next, syntax. How to declare a structure in C language. Syntax: we use struct keyword to declare a structure variable. Struct is a keyword. Struct, structure tag means name of the structure. Here structure tag includes name of the structure. Struct, structure tag, opening brace, data type, structure element, data type to structure element. In this way we write n number of data types and their respective elements up to n. After that close the structure and end with semicolon, and then start main function. Within the main we declare a structure variables. These are structure variables v1 v2 up to vn. v1 v2 are the structure variables. We declared structure variables within the main. Struct, structure tag, okay, struct, structure tag v1 v2 up to vn. Close the main. Syntax 2 means we can also declare structure in this style also, that is syntax 2. Struct, structure tag, opening brace, data type, structure element 1, data type 2, structure element 2 up to n. Close it. After closing declare the structure variables v1 v2 vn and then semicolon. Then after write the main. This is another style of declaration of structures. We have one more way to declare a structure, that is syntax 3. Void within the main. Here this declaration is done within the main. Void main struct, structure tag, data type 1, structure element, data type 2, structure element 2, data type n, structure element up to n, and declare the structure variables v2 v1 v2 v2 up to vn, like this. So there are three syntaxes for structures. You can use any one. Example of structure: void main struct, structure tag name is book, struct book, structure name is book, opening brace, data type char, structure element name is title, size, char, author, int, pages, float, price, opening here and close with semicolon. So this is structure declaration. In this structure book, how many elements we have declared? 4 elements we have declared. And if